The waterfall froze, and I saw a few ice climbers. They are up there. Let me see. Before the camera battery dies due to the cold and because of its lithium battery. Okay. I saw them using those specific tools to climb. Really interesting. I've seen those on TV, but it's different when you see them right here. Let me see. Yeah, this waterfall is pretty impressive. And now it's all ice. Life is good. So I see these events without searching. Why? Because my mind is connected to specific information in the field. And every day I get out, ugly, nice outside, bad weather, good weather, I find something. Today I saw these guys pushing limits, climbing the ice. Maybe for others it's nothing, but for me it's impressive. Bye bye.